Hello students. So today we will see some formulas of multiple and half angles which will be helpful in differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. So in first year you have studied these formulas. Just I will be revising those which we need in differentiation, or it will be very much helpful in differentiation and competitive exam problems. So first, if we take sine 2 theta. So as you all know, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. 2 sine theta into cos theta. So now in half angle, in place of theta we are substituting theta by 2. Means you are required to take half of these angles. Means in place of 2 theta you will have theta. Therefore sin theta will be equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 in half angle formula for sin theta. Similarly, second, if I take cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Again, this can be written in another two forms. If you substitute cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta, you will have 1 minus 2 sin square theta. If you substitute cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta, you will get this. If we substitute sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, you will have 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 2 theta can be written in these any form. Similarly, if I take half angle, cos theta, cos theta will be cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Similarly, if I substitute half angle over here, this can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Similarly, third, this if I substitute sin square theta by 2 as 1 minus cos square theta by 2. So I will be having 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Third, tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta can be written as 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta can be written as 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So in half angle this will become theta and these two will become theta by 2. So tan theta is equal to, you will have 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Clear, students? So you can note down this, then I will tell few more formulas. Fourth, now sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta can be written in terms of tan. So sin 2 theta can be written as 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So in tan 2 theta you were having here minus. In sin 2 theta you will have here plus. If you simplify this RHS, you will get sin 2 theta. So this will be very helpful. Similarly, in half angle you can write in half angle sin theta is equal to, sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Similarly, fifth, if I take cos 2 theta in terms of tan, cos 2 theta in terms of tan. So cos 2 theta is written as 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Again, if you simplify RHS, you will be getting cos 2 theta. If you divide these two, you will get a tan 2 theta formula. This gets cancelled. Tan 2 theta will be 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So similarly, in half angle, if I take in half angle cos theta, cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So again, you can note these two, then few more formulas I will be telling. Okay, now see here, just I will simplify and show these steps. If I take a cos 2 theta formula, cos 2 theta is written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. I will take this to the LHS and I will pass cos 2 theta to the RHS. So I will have 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So now if I take 2 to the RHS, I will have sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So this is also important. So sin square theta in terms of multiple angle can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So similarly, this in half angle you can write. So in half angle it will be sin square theta by 2. In half angle it will be sin square theta by 2, 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 2. 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 2 in half angle. Similarly, you can write cos square theta. Again using cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to, you can write in this form, else another form is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now if I take 1 to the LHS, it will be 1 plus cos 2 theta. What remains over here? 2 cos square theta. So first I will write this. 2 cos square theta will be equal to this 1 I have taken to the LHS. So you will have 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now divide 2, you will have cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta whole divided by 2. So this is another formula, that is for cos square theta. Cos square theta. Similarly, in half angle you can write it as cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta whole divided by 2. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta divided by 2. So these are important which we regularly use in differentiation. So you can pause, note these formulas. Again I will be telling next. Now in the next I will be using this step. So you can concentrate on this. This step I will be using, that is sin square theta or 1 minus cos 2 theta 1 plus cos 2 theta formula I will be writing. So now if I take third, so just now I had written, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So in problems you can use this as formula, else it will be in this form, root of 1 plus cos 2 theta, root of 1 plus cos 2 theta. So if you take root here, you will have root 2 cos theta. Root of 1 plus cos 2 theta is root 2 cos theta. You can remember as this as a formula or even this as a formula. Similarly, if you take root of 1 minus cos 2 theta, if you take, so if there is minus, you will have sin. So root 2 sin theta, root 2 sin theta. So if you have 1 minus cos 2 theta, you will have root 2 sin theta. Similarly, if I write these in half angle, so in half angle it will be root of 1 plus cos theta. Root of 1 plus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta by 2. Root 2 cos theta by 2. Similarly, this formula if I write it in half angle, so root of 1 minus cos theta, so root of 1 minus cos theta, I will have root 2 into sin theta by 2, root 2 into sin theta by 2. Clear, students? Now few more I will be telling. Now if I take root of 1 plus sin 2 theta, root of 1 plus sin 2 theta. Now how we get the formula for this? Just I will show in 2 steps. So this is equal to root of 1, I can write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta, or I can write it as cos square theta plus sin square theta. 1 is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now if you observe here, it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is formula for a plus b whole square. So this will be root of cos theta plus sin theta bracket square, cos theta plus sin theta bracket square. So square root square gets cancelled, so you will have cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta. So fifth, you can say root of 1 plus sin 2 theta is, root of 1 plus sine 2 theta is cos theta plus sine theta formula, root of 1 plus sine 2 theta. Similarly, if minus is there, root of 1 minus sine 2 theta, if minus is there, so same steps, here you will have minus, so here you will have minus, so it will be nothing but a minus b, means 1 minus sine 2 theta will be cos theta minus sine theta, cos theta minus sine theta. So similarly, these in half angles can be written as fifth one, root of 1 plus sine theta, root of 1 plus sine theta. In half angle I can write it as cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2. Similarly, sixth I can write it as root of 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. I can write it as cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2, minus sine theta by 2. Clear, students? So again you can note these two formula. Finally, these three, sine 3 theta, sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Second, cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Third, tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So students, all these formula which I have told,